Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we'll be doing unboxing and we'll show you guys the first look of Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G edition. Infinix is doing very well lately with good value for money launches. So let's dive right into the video. First let's quickly unbox the device. So this is going to be the retail unit. Here you can see Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G edition. And it's again in collaboration with Marvel Studio. Soon you open the box, you'll get to see the device itself. So here you can see this is the device. Let's keep it aside for now. Talking about other box content, and it's still good to see that we get charging brick inside the box which supports 33 watt of fast charging. Then we have this USB to Type-C charging cable followed by some stickers of Doctor Strange. We have the welcome card, user manual and some other documents. Lastly we have this soft TPU case. So these are the box content what you guys gonna see in the retail unit. The design of Note 12 Pro 5G looks familiar but simple and clean. The back panel of the phone has this agey matte finish design with some nice patterns. The frame of this phone is plastic but it's flat and edgy like what other phones in this price range are doing. It's rounded and soft to touch. All these factors makes this phone a very comfortable phone to hold. The camera module is also pretty well designed with glass which won't protrude much. Front of the phone has this tear down notch instead of punch hole. Overall build quality is great considering this price range. Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G has 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. Screen to the body ratio of the display is 91.4%. The display is AMOLED and the quality of display is actually really good. It also turns pretty well and has 100% DCPI 3 color gamut. When it comes to touch, the touch sampling rate on this device is 180 Hz. So the display is very responsive. There is Gorilla Glass 3 protection on the front of the display. Gorilla Glass 3 is slightly old technology but good to see in budget devices. Multimedia won't be enjoyable if we don't have good quality speakers. Fortunately, we have DTS powered dual speaker. Although the sound coming from bottom speaker is more than top, it's good to see dual speaker in the phone and the quality is also good enough for this price. Device comes with the support of wideband L1, so you won't have any kind of issues watching full HD content on OTT platforms. And if by chance device doesn't have the L1 support, Infinix have promised that they'll be providing an OTA update which will enable L1 support on Infinix Note 12 Pro by the end of this month. Device is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G processor. It's a 6nm 64-bit octa-core processor which is both powerful as well as power efficient. For normal day-to-day tasks, this process flies through smoothly even in demanding games like Battlegrounds Mobile India, etc. Its performance is good enough with less heating, although we can play heavy titles like this only in medium settings and FPS. It comes with MediaTek Hyper Engine 2.0 which enhances the power efficiency even for longer gameplay sessions. And along with it comes with Darkling 2.0 which is game boost technology for even more immersive and smoothing gaming experience. Coming to the camera part, Infinix Note 12 Pro has 108 megapixel primary camera. In daylight, as usual, the images are good and well detailed, but the images are soft when we zoom in. Looks like Infinix has done more noise reduction than required. The dynamic range is also very good enough in daylight, but in my testing we observed that color signs to be more contrasty and little bit saturated. In human subjects there is very nice details in the skin and exposure is correct. The blur in the edge while capturing human portraits are slightly sharp instead of soft blur. Here Infinix should work on portrait and use the advantage of bigger 108 megapixel sensor. Also, as we said, when we zoom in, the images are soft. In artificial lighting condition, the image turns out to be good with less noise. But some images looks painted with less details because of the noise reduction. One thing which Infinix did very well is to control the exposure. Hardly we see any overexpose while capturing in challenging situations. The phone has 16 megapixel selfie camera which has this dual LED light which helps in capturing detailed low light selfies. The selfies are detailed but the images are mostly flat. In low light artificial conditions, selfies turns out to be slightly hazy and soft. Overall, Infinix did improve the main camera this time, so the camera in Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G is decent and needs some more improvements to stand out. Talking about the software part, so device comes out of the box with Android 12 with the custom skins of XOS based on version 10.6.0. Though the security patch is still outdated where we get to see 5th April 2022 security patch. But as said earlier, it has been promised by Infinix that they'll be releasing a software update this month which hopefully might provide us June security patch. So here you can see the device is powered out of the box by Android 12. And another good thing, as they have collaborated with Marvel Studio, So you get the Doctor Strange theme for free on this device. It doesn't come by default. You need to download it from Xtheme application. Just go to theme section and search for Doctor Strange. Here you can see this is the theme. You can download and apply directly on your device. Coming to the battery in Infinix Note 12 Pro, it has bigger 5000 mAh battery because of the processor in this is slightly power efficient and software is decent. The battery can easily last more than a day on moderate usage. The fast charging gives 33 watt, which takes approximate 1.5 hours to fully charge. There are two Infinix Note 12 devices. One is the Pro model and the second one is the normal one. Both have 5G inbuilt. Note 12 comes with 6GB LPDDR4 RAM with 64GB of internal storage. Note 12 Pro comes with 8GB LPDDR4 RAM plus 128GB of internal storage. And introductory price of these two phones is 12,999 and 15,499 respectively. And other information of this device, it comes with faster UFS 2.2 storage. Along with that, it also comes with 12 5G bands. The brand has 1086 service centers with the name of Cal Care spread across 1000 plus towns, thereby solving the huge problem of lack of serviceability. And now coming to the final conclusion whether you should purchase this device or not. So if you are not much into gaming, then it's highly recommended, guys. It has a good camera, software experience is also decent. There are some bloatwares what you guys will find out on the device, but that's manageable with this price range. You can easily uninstall those applications. If you are more into OTT platforms, then it's a good to go device. Although gaming is also decent, but the only problem, if you are into heavy gaming, then the device doesn't have that much of potential. With casual gaming, it's a good device, great battery backup along with the fast charging. So you guys let me know in the comment section below whether you guys like this phone or not. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.